To add a Prox tag to the system, enter your master code, followed by menu, and then number 2. Display will show, do you want to set up users? Press yes or tick. The display will then show the next available user. Press yes or tick to move along until the displays add-on tag. Now you can press 1 for a new tag or 2 to import an existing tag from an existing Elite system. For this example, we'll press 1 for a new tag and then offer the tag. That tag is now learnt on. To go back to unset mode, press menu, 0 and then yes or tick.